Ma'am, I can't open my camera.
What happened, beta Chiranjit?
Ma'am, I can't open my camera.
What happened to your camera?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. Just keep your mic on unmute, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, even that too, ma'am.
Advait, you are also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay then. So let's start. And Advait, you too. Kindly send me your worksheet, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Have you, Advait,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done the worksheet, beta?
Ma'am, I don't have, ma'am.
I have shared, beta, under the resource tab. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now your next chapter is addition. So in grade 4 also, or in grade 3 also, you did this addition, right? So children, what do you mean by addition words? Can you tell me?
Miss,
Yes, beta.
ma'am means adding two numbers, ma'am.
Okay, adding two numbers. Or any other word you can use?
Ma'am, some.
Some, yes. And or you can say, if any in any word problem, if you see word all together, right? Suppose if I'm asking that Chiranjay has 55 chocolates and Advait had 25 chocolates. So I will ask you,
Ma'am,
how many chocolates both are having all together?
ma'am, I haven't taught in the maths objective test, ma'am.
You have not solved?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
did. Ma'am, I wrote the maths objective test, but I haven't taught, ma'am. In
Okay.
one question, ma'am, they said round of 29 lakhs to the nearest 10,000, ma'am.
Hmm.
So it is 30,000, ma'am, and there is no option 30,000.
Just wait.
ma'am,
Which
ma'am,
question
can
you
I
are
tell you?
asking?
Ma'am, can I tell you some?
Wait. Which question you are asking?
Ma'am, the question number I forgot, ma'am.
Okay, just screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm opening the test. Okay.
Ma'am, who won in this test?
Yes, beta.
Who won?
Beta, I will
Ma'am,
check the marks and I will only tell. Which one? Tell me, Advait.
ma'am, down, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
This.
scroll? Go. Yes, ma'am, this one, the sixth one.
Okay. You are. What is your correct answer?
Ma'am, it's 30,000, ma'am.
Yes. It is by mistake here written.
Ma'am, the option was not given, so I kept 2,009, uh,
O-
29,000.
Okay, beta. Okay. I will check. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chiranjay, have you attended the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's start.
Ma'am,
Now
should
see,
we
I'm
write in
asking.
the
Yes, beta.
should we write in the notebook or textbook, ma'am? I wrote in the ma'am, not textbook, ma'am. Computer only itself. Ma'am, I
Yes,
wrote in
yes. In
computer.
computer only you need to solve.
Ma'am, in computer.
Yeah. You have to just tick the mark, tick the correct option, na?
Ma'am,
See,
can I tell the sum?
yes, beta.
Ma'am, the sum is 80.
Which, yes, yes, yes. See, this is Chiranjay. Okay. His two hands, his two legs. Okay. So Chiranjay has 55 chocolates. So on. So I'm writing here 55 chocolates. Which chocolates you eat more?
Ma'am, Kit Kat.
Kit Kat, okay. So Kit Kat chocolate, okay? Kit Kat.
Ma'am, but one problem is there, ma'am, because that's why I stopped eating or more. But that's why I stopped eating chocolates, ma'am. And sometimes in summer, ma'am, either 1 week or 1 month, I eat some ice cream, ma'am. Like mostly like after 1 month.
Okay, okay. And so just take care of yourself, okay? Now
Yes,
Advait. Advait, which chocolates do you like most?
Ma'am, I like dairy milk, ma'am.
Okay, you like dairy milk. Where my cursor gone? Okay. Dairy milk. Okay. So Advait liked dairy milk chocolate. And Advait has 25 chocolate. If I'm asking that how many chocolates you both have together?
Ma'am, 80, ma'am.
Yes, 80, good. So here a word comes together. Together means you have to find the sum. You have to count the total number of chocolates. So 55 plus 25, it will be 80. Right? So if in any word problem, you will see this word all together. Suppose if it is written all together, okay, sum, total, and so it means addition. Okay. So here we were talking about the two friends only. Suppose there are three friends.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, why only two members joined today, ma'am?
Actually, today is Sunday. Maybe someone will be outside with us,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So now operation on this there- operations on large numbers. Large numbers. So how many are basic operation, beta?
Ma'am, 4.
Yes. Four are the basic operation. One is your
Addition,
addition.
fraction, multiplication,
my
division.
second is subtraction.
Yes, subtraction. And third is,
Multiplication.
And division.
yes, Advait, good. Multiplication. And last one is division,
Division.
right? So these four basic operation we will study in this chapter operation on large numbers. So addition, you have to find the sum only. So children, suppose if you have to find the sum of question number one, find the sum of 6,04,757 and 2,18,304 and 3,75,526. Okay, so you have to find the sum. So first of all, what you will do this, beta? You will write all these numbers in columns, right? Chiranjay, Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's writing. Let's start writing then. So first of all, you will write here this number 6 lakh 4,757. Now you have to write second number. So second number you will start from the end. So write first of all 4, then 0, then 3, then 18. So 8, 1, then 2. Now
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
can't
can
hear
you
you.
listen us? Ma'am, I think you are in a mute. I mean mute.
yes. Am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me the total of
Ma'am,
we are going.
ma'am, can't see your screen, ma'am.
Okay, screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am. You can press Control plus R, ma'am. It will refresh. Ma'am, it will refresh and come again.
Yes, I have refreshed. Okay. See
Yes,
now,
ma'am. Ma'am, can I
screen
tell
is
the
visible.
answer?
Yes. So, okay, children, tell me first of all. Tell me one by one. 7 plus 4 plus 6. What it will be?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
17.
Yes, yes, Chiranjit. 10.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's
17.
17.
Yes, 17. So 7 you will write here. 7 you will write here. Then 1 goes in carry. Now 5 plus 1.
Ma'am,
6,
6. 8.
Advait. Yes. 6 plus 2.
8,
8.
Yes. Now 7 plus 3.
10,
10
Ma'am,
plus 5.
15.
15,
15. 1 goes in carry. Now 4 plus 1.
Ma'am, 16. No, ma'am, not 16.
16,
4 plus 1. 5.
7,
18.
15, 15.
Ma'am, 18. 18.
18. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 plus 8. 13. 13 and 5. 18. So 1 goes in carry and 8 will write here. Then
Ma'am,
1,
9.
2,
Ma'am, 9,
9. Then 6 plus 2,
8,
8 plus 3 is 11.
11.
So what is your answer?
11 lakh
11
98,587.
98,587. So this is your answer. So now do next question you will do. Now you both will do and I will ask you to show your notebook. Okay?
Ma'am, in the do.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, should we do in the notebook?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, take
So,
it.
yes, yes, you can take. Now add 64,172 to 6,73,846.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Done, Chiranjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, you have also done?
Ma'am, I just got my notebook now, ma'am. Can you wait?
Okay, okay, do it then. Chiranjay, just wait for a while for him. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Advait, now you have got the notebook?
Ma'am, it's 7,38,018, ma'am.
Yes. Chiranjay, what is your answer?
Ma'am, 7,38,018.
7,38,018. Very good. See, first of all, you will write these numbers in columns.
Yes, ma'am.
So 6,73,846 is large number. Now start writing second number from the last. Write first of all 2 here, then 7, then 1, then 4, and then 6. Now add them. Plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 4 is
Ma'am, 11.
11. And then
Ma'am,
8
10.
plus 9 and 10. 1. 7,
Ma'am,
3
8.
plus 4, 8. And 7 plus 6, 13.
13.
And 1 at 7. So it will be 7,38,018. Okay. Now next is, now suppose children, if I will give you question like this,
Ma'am, should we do the question which you review now?
yes, beta in notebook, okay. So now do for subtraction. Subtract 4,25,390 from 6,04,538. So how will you subtract?
Ma'am, the larger number should be at the top and the smaller number should be at the bottom.
Yes, see, first of all, the number which is written after the word from. Okay. So here, the number is written after the from is this. And this is your larger number too. So you will write this number first and this number will be in second row, right? So you will write 6,04,538, then 4,25,390. Now subtract it. Now are you able to subtract? Subtract it.
Done, ma'am. Can I tell?
Just wait, Advait. Chiranjay, have you done?
Ma'am, I'm Chiranjay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
okay.
have only done.
Advait and Chiranjay both have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not done, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me your answers one by one.
Ma'am,
Chil-
1,79,148.
Good, Chiranjan. And you, Advait?
Ma'am, I'm almost done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got 1,88,148, ma'am.
1 lakh?
88,148, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Oh,
it's
one.
70. Ma'am,
It was
he told 88, ma'am. It should be
it was
79.
79. Okay. Advait, just kindly check your answer once again. So here 8 is minus 0. So when you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the number itself. Or if you are adding, so you will get the number only, right, beta? So if
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
0 from 8 or adding, you will get 8. So 8 minus 0 is 8. Now this 3 is smaller than 9. So you need to take one borrow from this 5 and here will be 4 and it will become 13. Right, beta, after taking borrow? So 13 minus 9 is 4. Now here is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Clear? Now again 4 is smaller than 5. So you will take one borrow. Then it will be 14. 14 minus 5, it will be 9 beta. And here it will be 9 because it was 10. Right? So 9 minus 2 will be 7. Right? And here it was 5 and 5 minus 4 will be 1. Clear beta? Advait? Or you children can check your answer with your own. Just add, subtract and your difference. These two. Just add these two. You will get the number, this number itself. So add 4,25,390 and 1,79,148. Just add. So
Ma'am,
8
should we
plus 6
add?
is, yes, beta. And
Ma'am, should
9
we
plus,
add?
yes, to check our answer for verification that our subtraction is correct or not. And 9 plus 4 is 13. 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 5. Then 9 plus 4 is 14. 7 to 9 is 10. And 1 goes in carry. 4 plus 5 plus 6. So it will be 6 lakh 4,538.
38.
Now have
And
you
ma'am,
done?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, should
Advait,
we
you have got
simply.
your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see children. These things you have to keep your mind. The numbers that are added. The numbers that are added are called addends. Are called addends. And the number obtained on adding,
Ma'am, what will we obtain?
just wait, I'm explaining, is called the sum. See, the numbers which you are going to add. Suppose you are adding 5 and 8. So, result is 13. So, these two numbers, 5 and 8 are addends. These are addend. And this 13 is sum. The result is called as sum. Got it? Understood,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
Advait and Chiranjaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next thing is, these are the important things, beta, because in MCQs or you can say in fill-ups, these can be asked, okay?
Ma'am, I have noted.
You have noted? Okay. I will give you time, beta, to
Done,
write
ma'am.
down.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, should we write this?
No, no, no. Just wait. I'm showing you. You are yarning?
No, ma'am, I'm not tired.
Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now see,
Ma'am, should we write this
next.
one?
Yes, beta, you need to write. Just wait. Let me explain for subtraction also. The number from which another number is subtracted. Another number is subtracted is called the minor. Is called the minant. Okay, beta? And the number that is subtracted is the subtrend. Is the subtrend.
Ma'am, can you show an example like for the addition
Yes, yes, just wait for a while. And the number obtained on subtraction is called difference. Right? See now see. With the help of example, I'm explaining. See, suppose you want to subtract. Suppose you are subtract 30 from 100. So you will write like this 100 minus 30 and
Ma'am,
it will be
70.
70. Right? Now read the lines carefully. What I have written, that the number from which another number is subtracted. Means this number 100, this is called minant. What is called minant. Okay. And the number that is subtracted. So 30 is going to subtract. This is called subtrend. Now the number obtained on subtraction, this is called difference. Now got it my point? What I am want to say.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is subtrend, this is minus, and this is
Ma'am,
difference. So please note this.
ma'am, can you show the addition one?
Yes, yes, I will show addition also.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Chiranjit.
Ma'am, it's 351, ma'am.
Do you want to go somewhere?
No, ma'am, I don't need. Ma'am, but after 4 o'clock, I need to go for my cycle servicing, ma'am. My cycle is not working properly.
Okay. So you will go.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
after 4
I have
o'clock.
my chess class at 4 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, okay, beta. I will not take so much time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I
if
will
you
make
need
you free.
58, you can.
Okay, okay. Done. Done, Advait?
No, ma'am. I'm in the addition.
Okay. Chiranjay, you want to sleep?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, after repairing, I'll come and play cricket with my father, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And don't forget to send me your worksheet, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And today I will share a worksheet based on addition and subtraction only, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Done, Advait?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't sleep even today, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because every time, ma'am, in the afternoon, ma'am, I study for 1 hour again, ma'am, like
Ma'am,
it
I'm
is.
done with addition, ma'am.
Okay, beta. And subtraction you have done?
No, ma'am.
Advait, done it. Do it fast.
Ma'am, should I do the subtraction as home task?
Yes.
Ma'am, sir, can you share it in the WhatsApp?
Yes, yes, I will share also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, kindly sit along with your notebooks. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Bye, beta. And don't forget to share the worksheet.